After a power-packed first day at Medic West Africa 2024, Day 2 continued with high energy. If you still haven't registered to attend the 11th edition of the largest medical exhibition and conference in West Africa, then why not? Medic West Africa is where you'll find hundreds of international and regional healthcare and medical suppliers from the likes of Siemens, GE Healthcare, Fujifilm, Draga, Mindray, Crown Healthcare, showcasing the latest technology and products. Here are some of the highlights from Day 2. The Health Investment Conference in partnership with Public Sector Health Alliance of Nigeria took place today. The annual Leaders Forum attracted captains of industry and senior government officials for discussion under the theme Navigating the Transformative Healthcare Landscape. Quality and Patient Safety Workshop, organized by SQHN together with the Nigeria Health Watch Workshop, were also held at the event. Bring their groundbreaking ideas and solutions. Medic West Africa is brought to you by these amazing sponsors and partners. Visit our website for information on the go. It is not too late to register for our last day tomorrow. Medic West Africa, the gateway to the West African healthcare market.